Hi, welcome to Evolve with Debbie. My name is Debbie. So if you want to change your life, the last thing that you want to do before the new year is create a New Year's resolution. They don't work, they set you up to fail, because in order for you to really transform your life, you need to transform your thinking and deep down your beliefs. But what's really going to work, if you've not got someone to help you with that, what's really going to work for you is micro habits, changing your habits. Your whole life is basically made up of tiny little minuscule habits, which at the end of the year actually get big results. New Year's resolutions, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, like they're so big. Like you have to change as a person first for those big massive things to really change. So chances are that's not going to work, so don't set yourself up to fail, because that makes you feel even worse before you've even started. So start creating little micro habits, such as, so this is what I go through with my clients. We start incorporating little habits such as meditation into your day, such as little things to change your thinking. When you got up in the morning, instead of looking in the mirror, brushing your teeth, you could look in the mirror, brush your teeth, and actually think of positive things to say to yourself. So if you've done that every single morning, you're telling yourself something positive every morning after a year, how do you think that your life is going to change? That's a very simple, minuscule, tiny little thing, but it actually has a big, massive result on your entire well-being and your day. So if you're feeling a lot better about yourself, then you're going to really succeed in whatever that you do. So start thinking about changing little tiny micro habits and write down all your shit habits that don't create great things in your life, such as maybe, I don't know, you're eating a lot of chocolate or junk stuff that you're doing, or are you looking in the mirror and bringing yourself down? Write down all the crap things that you do that you could change and turn into little tiny micro habits that actually get good, sustainable, long-lasting results by the end. So I hope that helps, and thanks so much for watching. For more, please tune in and subscribe for more little hacks and tips and techniques, and please check out my hypnosis videos as well, and there's a link in there to join my tribe. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.